Now, defending champions Frazsiers Whip and Arnett Gardens hold the advantage heading into their semi-final return leg matches against Real Mona and Los Perfectos respectively in the Jamaica Women's Premier League set for the UWI-JFF Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence. Title holders Frazsiers Whip have a commanding 5-0 lead over newcomers Real Mona entering their 3 p.m. clash. They will be led by the league's top striker Christina Salmon, Chanel Spence and Captain Gale Abel, who have accumulated 54 goals this season. For debutants Real Mona, it will be a tough task to overhaul the huge deficit. They will pin their hopes on Olivia Ashbourne, who has netted 12 goals in the campaign, and Charisma McLean with 3 goals to claw their way back into the contest. In the second semi-final, Arnett Gardens have a slim 1-goal advantage heading into their clash with Los Perfectos. The unbeaten junglists will once again be led by Sharika Douglas, who has 18 goals to her credit this season. Captain Tonashe Hamilton with 6 goals, along with Swen Gregory and Sade Berry with 3 each, will lend support. In a bid to overturn a 2-3 first leg deficit, Los Perfectos will be relying heavily on Captain Venetia Reid, who has scored 22 goals this season. Tanisha Vassa with 4 goals this campaign and Trishelle Casanova with 3 are expected to provide assistance as they push for a place in the final. That game is slated to kick off at 6 p.m.